Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part over here. For this we have directly assigned this texture over here. Now if you go into this and if you want to unwrap it, you can easily unwrap this, not a problem. So very first of all, press Alt and Q over here and let's go into this and let's take a unwrap UVW. Let's go into the polygons. Let's go into this, select this right from the front over here. Let's go to the top view and subtract this part from here. So subtract this. So once you have subtracted this part, you can just select this all over here. So select this. So what we are doing is I'm just showing you the unwrapping for this. We'll be using a planar mapping over here, right again. So we are selecting this with the polygons. So make sure you're not missing any of it. So if you have this in a form of a bit of a low poly, that would be much better. But anyways, we'll be just unwrapping this, the first outside face right now. So select all of this polygons. So Alt and just subtract this. Make sure you're not selecting the bottom face. It's very important that you only select the elements which are required for the unwrapping. Alright. So once you're done with this selection over here, so now what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll be going over here into this planar. You have a X, Y axis, and let's give a quick planar map. Open UV editor. So as you can see, I have just removed that particular part out of it. So you can just go into the material, and if you just want to assign the checkers and just check it how it looks like, we can just assign the checkers and see. As you can see, it's properly opened up over here, this part. So now what we'll be doing is we need to unwrap the top part also. So for that, press, now we'll go to the top view over here and we'll just select the top view from here So we need to subtract this. So make sure you are only selecting the top view, no other views, means the top part of this particular stuff. So if you go into this, you can just press Alt and exclude this if it is required. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just excluding this. It will take time. So just exclude this stuff. Make sure none of it is remaining. So what we are doing is like we need to remove all the selections over here which are not actually required. Plus we need to add this all over here. Please add this. Alright. Alright. So once you're done with it, make sure any other part is not selected over here. So once your top part is fully selected over here, we'll just go to the top view over here. Oh, something selected over here, we need to remove that part. Go to this planar Z and you can go with this quick planar map and open UV editor. So you can just open that stuff, and even if you want you can just go into this tools and just relax it. So we can just relax it. So once you relax it, it is going to get opened up. So you need to relax this over here. So as you can see, these are two different elements. So while relaxing it, it is definitely going to create some problem over here. But if you see this, we have just opened this part. If you select this part, you will see that this is a half part which has been relaxed over here, and the other half part which we have done has been relaxed in this way. So you can just select this again, tools, and relax it. we can just make it straighter, better. So select this, tools, relax by polygon, and just make it much straighter over here. So as you can see over here, we have just relaxed this, both the elements over here. So now if you can go over here, you can just rotate this stuff over here, and if you see over here, if you select this edge, please save your file, very important. If you select the edges over here, so definitely you can see over here it's been properly, the checkers are matching over here. See this, it's if you select this edge, if you select this sim over here edge, you can see the other is getting selected. That means it is a part of that. So we have unwrapped this part, we'll be just keeping it individually. We can just push this up, and this is the same process which will be working out over here. So just end isolate this, just save your file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.